everyone, welcome to part 29 of the Design Tutorial series. So our main aim will be on how to add the condenser part of the HVAC unit to our office model we've been creating. So in the past video, we've looked at how to create grid lines, went on to create walls, create windows, doors, added some plumbing fixtures, connected the plumbing fixtures to drainage lines and water supply lines. So we commenced the HVAC system by placement of some air terminals. From there, went on to create ducts and placement of the ceiling concealed unit. So meanwhile, today we are going to be adding the condenser part. If you are having challenge or you don't know how to mention any of these commands I've mentioned just now, I would advise you go and watch the previous video under this tutorial series. Meanwhile, we have been on the HVAC workspace. So you remember there, that is where we can find the condenser part. So under the ribbon, click on equipment. So under condenser, go to air code, pick the first one here, small horizon and close. So click outside the to place the so we're going to place it very close to the door at the back and leave it there. Alright, so this is the back of the building. So once you are done, escape. So we want to draw the refrigerant pipes that connects the ceiling concealed unit and the condenser part. So click on the ceiling concealed unit, then hover around the plus sign here on add pipe. So the pipe coming out from here is 50. We want it to be 15 mm. Supposed to be, I wanted it to be 15 mm. Yes, 15 mm. Okay. So take it down. So we are bringing it down to connect to the outdoor unit here. It's giving us a lot of options here. But meanwhile, let's continue. But it's not going okay. So let's zoom in to see exactly the options that have been provided. Let's click on that point. Okay. Okay. Meanwhile, at this point, since it's not giving us any option, we will have to draw from where we have this point. So click on the outdoor unit, hover around where we have the add pipes. So just take it all the way to connect to it. Yes, so just take it all the way to connect. So it has connected. Now if you watch, I think we have to First of all, take this pipe, shorten the length a bit. Alright, then click on this, move around the plus sign, add pipes, and then now to just snap immediately. Okay, so this is what we've been looking at. So let's draw the second one. So click on the equipment, over around where we have the add, click on add pipes, then the same thing, move. Oh, we're supposed to reduce the size of the pipe to 19 mm. Let's reduce to 19 mm. Well, let's exit the command and restart. Undo, Ctrl Z. So click on the ceiling consumer, over around where we have the plus and add pipe. So change the pipe size to, let me see what we have here. We have so let's click on 20. Okay, 25. Okay, and move it all the way. Let's move the first one. So press escape. That's it, the command. So click on the condenser part, add pipe. So let's just move it down to that point. So it's suggesting some part. So we're gonna make it nominal size to be 25, the same with what we used. Okay, so we've been able to draw, connect the indoor and the outdoor image. But let's go to the 3D and look at how this thing plays out. Sometimes you have to allow for enough space for the system to give you the right choice of fittings. That is, I think that is where most of the challenges comes from. So you can see that the pipe rises all the way up, then and connect to the indoor unit. So most of the time you'll be facing some few challenges, and most of them as a result of not creating enough allowance the for the software to generate the size of fittings that is needed for the transition. Alright, our tutorial for the ends. Don't forget to like and share my video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be the first to be notified when a new video comes up. Alright.